Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today, I'm going to show you how to get Bitdefender Total Security for free. This is an official promotion from Bitdefender, and no credit card is required to claim this giveaway. Okay, so first, open Google and search for Bitdefender. Then, visit the official website at bitdefender.com. Once you're on the official website, go to Consumer Solutions. As you can see, Bitdefender Total Security normally costs around €50 here in the UK for 1 year and 5 devices. But luckily, I have a special giveaway for you. You don't have to pay a single penny to claim this offer. To visit the giveaway page, type the URL shown on your screen into your browser's address bar. Once you're ready, hit enter and you'll be taken to the giveaway page. Here, you can clearly see the message Bitdefender Security for Creators. Basically, Bitdefender is giving away 6 months of free total security to creators on YouTube, Facebook, and Instagram. But don't worry, even if you're not a creator, you can still claim this offer. Make sure you follow my steps carefully, otherwise you may not be able to claim the promotion. To continue, click on the Start Free 180-day trial button in red. Click on the red button again to continue. Now you're on the sign up page. Here, you should create a new Bitdefender account using a new email address. I'm not sure whether existing accounts are eligible for this offer, so you can try using your existing account if you already have one. However, for this video, I'm going to create a new account. If everything goes well, you should see a welcome page like this. Next, click on Go to Setup and follow the instructions to continue. Once you reach this page, and if you don't want to link your creator account, you can bypass it by clicking on the 3 lines on the left-hand side and then clicking on My Subscriptions. Here, you'll see 2 options. You can either set up the security for creators offer that we just skipped, or continue with the installation of Bitdefender Total Security on your system. Let's continue with the installation. Follow the instructions to download the installer for your device. Your device should be automatically detected on the download page. Once the installer has been downloaded, run it and complete the installation. And there you have it. We've successfully installed Bitdefender Total Security on our system. You can start the device assessment now, but for this video, I'm going to skip it. And that's it. You now have Bitdefender Total Security completely free for 6 months, with no credit card required and no automatic payment trap. If this video helped you, please leave a like and hype the video. And if you haven't already, make sure to subscribe so you never miss any of my future giveaways and tech updates. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.